kembali ke tempat duduk anda. Sekiranya tanda isyarat, pasangan tali lidah dinyalakan semasa anda berada di dalam sajan. Sajian akan dihidangkan sebentar lagi.
Will you turn that disrespectful junk off?
Respect the classics, man. It's Hendrix.
Wow. Who is this? Beautiful cars. This is Lightning McQueen. Nice.
Take that California trip.
Ka-chow!
Here she comes!
Okay, places, everybody. Hurry! Act natural.
Hi, Sally.
All right, what's going on?
Ladies and gentlecars, please welcome the new Lightning McQueen.
Wow. What do you think? Radiator Springs looks pretty good on me.
Wow. Who is this? This is also Lightning McQueen.
Nah.
Yeah! Good job!
And if you have a plan to motor west, take my way. That's the highway, that's the way.
Wow. Who is this? This is Lightning McQueen from Cars 3.
Quicker than quick. Faster than fast. I am speed.
That is great self-motivation. Did you come up with that?
Yeah, I did.
On your mark, get the set, go!
There you go. Felt good. Hey, what was my speed?
I don't know.
Wow. Who is this? This is also Lightning McQueen.
Lightning, how do you keep your focus racing against Bobby and Cal?
I mean, I think the key is we respect each other. These guys are real class acts.
Congratulations, Cupcake!
Oh, they are gonna pay.
Kapow! Who here knew about the thunder thing?
I didn't.
Wait!
That's a regular engine!
Joey's the boo!
Show me the
Beautiful. This is Lightning McQueen. Yes, nice.
So, you ready to start training?
I don't know. You ready to lose again?
Oh, hope you got your fluffy cloud.
I hope you got your drip pan.
Got my drip pan and I'm taking my nap.
Bring it on, old man.
Luigi?
Go!
Wow. Who is this? This is Shu Todoroki. Nice.
Today you will never again be ashamed of who you are. No! Long live Lavance!
Oh, number 7 is loose! Shoot Todoroki!
Wow. Who is this? This is Francesco Brunelli.
What is happening is a bad dream! What is happening?
Wow. Carla Veloso. Nice.
Grand Prix is about to begin. All spectators, clear the starting line.
Man, I can't wait to get rough.
Wow. Carla.
Great win today, Cal.
Thank you, Shannon. It was a great move. Hey! Guido! Aha! Laugh it up. Real fun.
Wow. This is Cruz Ramirez. Nice. Beautiful.
You want to beat Storm, you need someone to stand in for, like a sparring partner.
I'm not so sure. Not a racer, just a trainer.
Go ahead and gun it.
Oh, yeah.
With no muffler, you even sound like Storm.
Oh, you're going down, McQueen. Get that arthritis-riddled keister onto the track so I can put you into the old folks' home against your will. How was that?
That'll work.
Work for me.
I'm good.
Yep, that'll do.
Look at what she said.
Wow. Hicks. Hicks.
Champion!
This is Jackson Stone. Nice.
I love this guy. I think I touched a nerve.
Wow. The king. Beautiful race car.
More talent in one lug nut than a lot of cars has got in their whole body.
Really?
Does the king, Strip Weathers, have one more victory in him before retirement?
He's been Dynaco's golden boy for years. Can he win them one last Piston Cup?
Wow, legend. Fabulous Hudson Hornet.
Him into the wall. But Hud never touched any wall unless he wanted to.
Given too much throttle, you in the tulips. Hey, Lightning, you might want to take notes on this one.
Cruz Ramirez. Cruz.
Now remember Thomasville?
Thomasville?
Yeah, sneak through the window.
Now that, I understand.
Sneak through the window.
Thank you guys. See you on next video. Bye.
This is the most glorious day of my life.
Wow. Spero che il tuo amico si riprenda. Mi dicono che siete fantastici.